This video is on the dot or scalar product. First off, why is it called the scalar product? It's called the scalar product because the answer that we will get is a scalar quantity. And secondly, why is it called the dot product? We write it with a dot. If we're going to perform the dot product on two vectors A and B, we would represent it like that. And the answer that we're going to get is a scalar quantity. Let's go through a few of the basics about the dot product. So far, previously, we've had lots of practice adding vectors. Now we will be multiplying vectors. There are two different ways we can do this. We use the cross product or vector product when we need to combine two vectors that are oriented perpendicularly to each other. More on the cross product later. We use the dot product or scalar product when we need to combine two vectors that are oriented parallel to each other, or anti-parallel, that's okay too. One physical quantity that requires our use of the dot product is work. And the two vectors or vector components that must be oriented parallel to each other to calculate this are force and displacement. You might have met this concept in earlier physics studies. Again, when we use the dot product, our result is always a scalar quantity. It will always have a magnitude, which is a number and a unit, and will generally have a sign. Positive, negative, that's fine, but it will never have a direction. Those are the conceptual basics of the scalar product, and we will go into more detail in other videos.